We are Ghana, Amaya Dishina, Mimamunina, Ajo, Edeba, Asempa 94.7 FM. So, and Chebia, na meba, bedi, Sachiame, Ewa Jumedia, Busabakaya, Yawa de Biano, Yadi Jumedia, Yatu, the Minority Caucus, Edebro. Na yeshe se Jumedia, si, se, Muamwenikia, se, and Samono, Yadbaha. Ye kano the way city ye being free mo na no krana ewo ho no sa na ye de eto na medin kan so aka kire mo se enche afi ye bekwa bato na ye bebusa ye ho se emoaya Ghana ni bia aye for December 7th ene ne de hin enche bia na President John Dramani Mahama flag bearer of the NDC Asha aprobo biase na before obesha sa aprobo na se obeka kire Ghana fo nyina se meka pass wo ka kire Ghana fo nyina se afi we no kwan a yesi fa so eye ya manyosem no ye besesa no na wo mayete ase aso se wo hye dwumedie biase ya friend Speak Out Ghana and say Speak Out Tour na sa tour no na je se wo chi Ghana fa na nyina na webusa Ghana fo Niama womo face aban ya ede ahuto ede ahunyehin abebre wom eno ne dwumadi a President Mahama Shase emre bi atwemu na sato no ede no call all over the country so beka him say to started to no krempo ansa na COVID-19 ede ne ho eba abegigim na sato ya okoyi wo share a driver for anyone twetwe nkomo wo share a teacher for anyone twetwe nkomo we share carpenter for we share masons we share afraid for we share mechanics e fitter for we share adwadi for we share hemfo we share sofo we share Ghana ni bia chese or matter in the scheme of things na sa enkitahudia won have ye no aye say NDC manifesto 2020 yen use the top bottom approach ni biom na afiwe no NDC amanyoko ni ye na dwen se womo ekọ Ghana fo no ho na wakọ akọje ideas a womo face ye di go manifesto no mu a ebe boa Ghana man asemi babeto odwa aban a wote so na Akufo-Addo da no ene ni MPP abo modi atwebo President Mahama ne NDC ase womo ni ideas eba ne se governance a kasa keke no womunim kwan a ya faso etwere manifesto mpo na mo pe omen agi ababosui na enu mu no me krade ngaka minimize nka omo kan wie ye no enka womo abetena se atwere wo manifesto nanso ankoba ne sa womo ko South Africa ekofa South Africa fo abetwere manifesto no Wamu try manifesto ni wie ye no eniama omo sese gumu ane President Mahama anase Mahama o man fa hwe anka ho biom eniti dana wamu launch manifesto no nka Ghana for hwe ni mo se 4 years yi mobile eniama otumi aye nie ye ko 2021 and beyond eniama ben ana mo hwe amo betumi aye ade abo Ghana man na saada ne na ya asefem keke sanse efiti program na hyase akope mawie ye President Mahama obi on befa podium obegina podium no subia no Mahama din an wobo na just say vision any policy statements and answer ideas for 2021 and beyond there na wo mu ni bi wo mu wie ya no wo mu sign esre NDC katra NDC for say wo mu ni manifesto na wamu ka wenu munyina no ancha ana NDC ade won manifesto nanu ye NDC di won manifesto enso so eba batu dwa wamu di batu dwa nyama wamu Ghana ni bia etibi ne wom ade ma okadafo ne wom ade ma professional law students wamu anase Ghana ni bia opeso osua law ne wom ade ma school fo ne wom ade ma teacher fo ne wom edema wonomu a ekwa afare ne ade projects visions programs ne de bebre kwa na afei na ban aya na adwen se eniama wo mosiri NDC fo no efedi omo ankasa etwa omo ho ehunu se na alternative is empty omo kan se NDC manifesto no eniama ehihye mu pa yie na enwumre ejuma ye ba bedie ene se ye bu kompo akwa ne wo NDC manifesto no mu a ama nanado anaze president Akufo-Addo ne na ban entumi nya hoto enna ewo krom ha ene ya na ewo mu ntira wo mo ho asisi wo mo achese ba bia o mefe bia no aseniama enkoyie emfa ma wo mo enwumre nyame adom me nsa aka spokesperson on jobs of the NDC na onukro ya so esan ye former national organizer onukro ya so esan ye NDC parliamentary candidate ewo buem no ewo Oti region ono na enwumre honorable Kofi Adams wa beka mensa enwumre na ye betwetwe enkomo e afa NDC manifesto for 2020 omatu din the people's manifesto ye bedi hu nkomo enkanka eniama efa enwuma anase ye pe enwuma eniama Ghana fo obeka ya agenda to ejuma pa agenda ya President Mahama ka ho asem na no say for the next 4 years 1 million jobs any enwuma edon eni so a nyame adomu a NDC edi begu akwemu eniti mebo mu nyina akwaba na mwada wase enso so se wo enwumre wonya bre etie yen wo fie tie yen obetumi adwa ni show no wo yen WhatsApp platform no so that's 0546 382287 0546 382287 midin edi Peter Banfo na sa dwumadi ye kwa akopem nondu ensempa ensemde ene ye de brew enwumre nyina eye NDC manifesto 2020 mamema Kofi Adams akwaba enwumre mze ni edi ka ye hunu no minority caucus the three versions so ene honorable enwumre ye chiao
Jodo
na buemfo ho te sei
bia ho ye
afi ekoyie mamode
Minia bebia ni Ghana meka se ekoyie ema ho nya metuma kan se eye enindaso a omowo eno de meka se bebia obekọ bia no ade a abrofo ye ka no se hope no ewo ho hope ni eden hope ni any NDC say afi say ye sha see first year na nkrofo ka no montivi second third afi de ye wura fourth year no aka be busim acha less than 90 days de na omunim say bibia ye nyina ade a ye nyina ye hwehwe no yensa beka enti hope de ewo buim just like any other place. Now so say ka say nipa brepa obredi o mo bre on bre pa say inshishe pa na da ho anka yedi mi say by now
anka ye wie sa kwani ade ni na
Ghana ya fa ye ntuma pa na efra no akakọ yete say bibia asana ko form biom bet hope no wo ho because only say akọ yete say wo sani pa yare na woni mu bia wa sign obi yare pen enti ade no eye dia na se nipa no ni ho a na how wonya ho se nipa no be pie ewo word hope na we nya den na hope ni ye den eba enti from that time that moment ye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say omeye ye leader and candidate no na hope no epie almost immediately. Now, what really raised at the end, Edenoko Srupabio, no, any nano Joda Enyumre manifesto, papa manifesto, yeka manifesto, who manifesto,
People's
manifesto, we yepi. Now, I'm not surprised, mum, because when him say Ghana ha. I can talk about Ghana ha minim penyi bia one Ghana for from all shades of opinion on wedding kitahu efa omo asetnem any omo abrabonum any omo njuma omo ye no than His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He is one person nejuma waye from various points, including even after the 2016 elections, in the levels of engagement, no single leader in your opportunity. So I am not surprised. Say, Obia, when you're that level of engagement, the understanding of the problems, the appreciation of the problems, and the solutions to those problems, superb. So, Opia, now we hear comments from some persons there. They were in a way surprised and not shocked. Me, I am one because I know the person as a leader.
So before crime and first remember betu jano. Nano wo Cape Coast, President Kufuor ne vice president, and almost one more ebekasa or podiums no sunyina no. Created the impression say NDC any manifesto. Ghanaians should not expect manifesto beer from Womo. Were you surprised at the reaction if free Ghana for Hotitu when NDC 4-day manifesto by Betra Bonting?
Yes, to some extent, I was surprised. But at the same time, also, a man Mekai Bibi say what it means that as a political party, or say yefa yen communication a bit more serious. Because se wo hwe nia ekoso eni njuma pa John Dramani Mahama ebeyeye eni nsema waka even long before the outdooring of yen manifesto say oba obeye na ombeka sasemi ewo omo manifesto launch na nkrofo benya some ombeje di say adia omo kan say NDC ni manifesto no nokre, and it took the reading of excerpts for them to now realize say na trona na MPP for Ekano. That was where I was a bit surprised. Say I thought ye di nyama bebre ato from the engagements His Excellency with various shades of persons enough to show say you could superior ideas in all sectors. And in your Cape Coast, it was just a joke. But I was deceiving myself. Saying Yanteki and time I'm producing the launch of your manifesto the way you take it, the selection of the time, the presentation and everything was superb and excellent. And my message is sinky so well to the point that after in Yegusua you substance to talk about as compared to the day omukoye. You see, there's now yewo mami bia otom wache. The wache nya.
I know otom wache no.
Ewo those times were this me person say say ko bokro bia this na adane asent.
What you ever go bokro ni agaze.
The wache no when him say wache a combination of beans and then rice and to say we take with time now we mbobo kakra omo enye sa nkrofo omo di wache na they will be chewing it alongside sa stones the wache on take time enyi sa dia man na so ko gina ho instead say obeton no wache no na or say another person na no ton ni wache na or say nipa no say no oni madinua or say just because ono no de enye. Meanwhile the next person na all say na de ono de ne de no so ba na oton obi ahun say bibia ye clean bibia ye okay ono kura on spend even 1 second emfanka nia onim wache nia this nedia. That's exactly what happens at the MPP launch of Omo Manifesto and NDC launch of Omo Manifesto. In Kanda no matter Omo no mudi kan ye Omo Manifesto Omo launch here Omo Omo spending almost all the time attacking personalities. In Kase ye ni bibi papa Eyoma Ghana would have spent an equal time or more to attack them. That's so. Nkofo bebre ebegyina ho ekasai present a policy without even wasting time on the personalities are involved in MPP. That shows you the kind of leaders are ye flag bearer and the running mate, the next president and the next vice president of the Republic of this country.
Now, Obi Bebusa say, Obi a wonene contest, nipa no launch a manifesto, and made sure say, release all kinds of attacks on war, just to destroy you and to destroy your credibility. Wo kwaya wodi no wa mo ni din kra strategy be no does it work well?
Who can ma me for BNB abakun according to the Bible story no oda ne baso e ma ne ba no wi na abakun hwe ne de nti ade chiye no osesa the other one ne clothes say oye ne ba na otiase nti omo de asem no ko King Solomon ne nim say onje di asem no ni aye no kre say ne ba na ewu no oye dede sa against the other person say oye wicked woman oye say on penny ye o di bone wa ye say na wa ya ma onu we kum ni ba no wa besa afa onu ne dia onu huye na the wise king decided say okay say it is idea enie nia onwuye no ye ndi kan empire no into two ye be che onu two na ya che the dead one also two na ye the half amu bia mame na onim say ne banwuye no omunya fa abofra no say omu obetwa no into two no say debi wan onukra wan kasa so much o say sa na ye be ye no dia and ye omfa emfa ma the other one because abofra ni nyini a maybe one day kra no obey den obesansu kra abreno it shows what is in that woman and ekire wonia ewo John Dramani Mahama nimu what is in him to deliver for this country and on spend samre no to be talking about you when there are real issues are ha Ghana for our say oka ho asem oka che say adie say na ye ba be me di ejuma pa project den eba from 2021 no oka say wu ye ejuma na ye no kre say wu ye ejuma no environment ni ye decent aketua na woje no ede wo beko basumi ewieye sika na woje no wo de be ye bibi papa enti me di den ejuma pa project eba obia ni savings akoka ewo bebi abai na ye na adwin say ontua ma no or ebinim wo ho a ya ma paper say bond no me ba metua mo ka projects injuma ye jai as your chairman kai abandon project party and now obi so the new one abese a rather neglected project party projects akesia nanka by now wo hwe sika abedi ensam ko say ye wie saade ni nyina edin djuma ene ahotopa bebrega na fo no saade ni nyina may focused on it. The syndrome of abandoning projects will be a thing of the past. Say at the papa bi wo hokra say nko mu aye omadun say omu initiate it will be continued. Bonia omu di ni nyina no ye betwa so I make sure say bibi papa be then the pay. So he focused much more on that because that is what the people need to hear.
Enyatem didi.
The cocoa farmer ene obre ontumi enya fertilizer and other chemicals enfan guni cocoa so enti cocoa now omuti no bebre in the past no say no enti sa no enyatem didi na opeti opese obeti nhihie pa eba so that the good production now no munya no under NDC year say replacing the old trees, planting new ones and so on, and fertilizer eco-free, chemicals eco-free, various support schemes. Now huge investment directly ebwa kwenenu sa die no the son edia babium so that also beton. That is what they want to hear. That was what he spent his time dealing with. And then that say we tia Ghana every aspect of the country was touched. It shows you say Eyubia oye ready. Say Debia or catcher say he is ready from 7th January 2021 to start. There is nothing like maybe Adia yes only he has not got time for that. He's proven through detailed arrangements say from 7th January you start seeing indications of what will be happening in this country.
Asampa 94.7 FM so and our wasugusu a wuti we a minority caucus na anwumren Owura Kofi Adams na yenene twetwe nkomo answer cry ye beko sector wo ka ho asem job creation mepese ye bedi nkomo kakra e dey afa me say what the fallouts since Monday babepem sabre model manifest ye dey NDC manifesto yi babeto abonten ya tese aban se okada na oka ho asem bebrebe na afedi oye U10 enye no nkra professional law degree students ye omko demonstration e kasa ye bebrebe awanye ho hwe afedi ase omo ya ye U10 kakra bi ewo ehonom okaya president Mahama promise say salvaged cars na ban adwene just was stopping importation no president Mahama say anya dia onesa emra ne be ye adwuma ase omo ya ye U10 all of a sudden they are going back to they are accounting for some of these things Kofi.
First and foremost, say omuye U10 on Bonia now Woody or Mino in all those areas. Odikan, you better John Dramani Mahama any NDC.
Sign teams to be.
Missy, say omuye U10 on all those things. Okada who use cars any professional law courses na omo eka ho asem say enya dia
even pensions
any yes exactly enya dia omo didi nipa tem kra on it na say ne omo beye U10 na odikan ya beda His Excellency John Dramani Mahama any NDC as because at least even before Obeba Bemu as president, Yebeto Abama no krano, ya share say ye feeling the positive impact. Because just the launch of the manifesto krano, Epia Abaya, what shall say, or tachi in Yamabi. So say ye done as it shows that Ukra solid message.
Now NDC.
And higher. Almost say higher. Now Ghanaians must know Obia Ukra commitment to doing it any ubia all here because of say or the dada. When him say uko to the monkey sanctuary, ye will be a ukra kwedu say or the ma adua or the manu as Adriania or man Adriani. Ye will be so or the kodunu mawa or pese or chill. There are two different things. Omo nyina e mawo eduane o. Omo mawo kwedu, omo kura kwedu a omo de mawo. Bako de no say o de mawo so that ubedi enya hoto. Eko de no say o de mawo so that wo ben na wa ye den na wa chew. Obi o ho a ne de e trap na o set ya mawo. NDC and John Dramani Mahama no are committed and omo mawa dia eye commitment from omwakume mu se dia eye papa dia o se omo ye dia yatena so take time eti omo asem da law students no we demonstration na abind through police for efan isuo ne hot water ne pepper ne edigu omo so around Akwaje interchange area hono almost scatter one. Finally, if an omuku ye, omuko His Excellency John Dramani Mahama office. Onya daje etie won. Ehye hon bo. Ne bo hye no anka ho. O dia be hye the manifesto nim so that akoye the contract between ono any Ghana for now on pese omo eko law school no bi omo benya professional law certificate ni bi any year ye pese ye manum so benya sa certification ni bi any year ye be utilize omo services no akwakoye a certain contract between ono the party any sa microphone as Ghanaians. The same way with omo crackers eba omainum any garages for omo fixi cars now fitters need straight omo ye welding omo ka ho nyina omo aka sa aban ne mrana odiaba about salvage vehicles and our home use cars say memmo bia mfasa cars na emba Ghana biom because wa ye na adwin say oba bema wa ma ebinumu kwan say omo assemble cars amono ewa ha omo aka omo ntie His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say debi Ghana ha no and one car amono ewa ne market no kure say Ghana ha car amono wa ne market saa so na home use cars no so ewa ne market ewa Ghana ha wo call even abrochiri whether America o Germany o Holland o Italy o UK o ho kura companies ya o mobile be cars yi bi o mu free ho a ba ha no ho kura ye wo salvage vehicles market anko for eton fixi and they used enti edi na ye afa kura na yen industry no eba be nyese o ye twemu right from day one. It doesn't work that way. You build the market along. And no, John Dramani Mahama, any running mate in NDC, yeah, Shebo say, Sam Rano, yeah, and you say, almost or more suspended. Yeah, the about suspension as him. Yes, ya junu, a boni, ye ba, ye betum.
Also, so say, ABR. About one I ever swinting or mass suspending and because yeah, no one or mass suspending the other things are
a dear quite common with MPP as a party. So Bekaya in the year 2008, year two about first round. Before then, no, now His Excellency Professor J.E.A. Mills, may he so rest in perfect peace, was Shebo. Said, "Uhe fangwa ye kra edeba omainim." Now uhe the rate a ye ton petrol ni diesel edema ashenka for any na de no. Ono ba obeti petrol so drastically. We use the word drastically. And I echo to about first round. And a first round no. Now omo LED yen with some votes in terms of presidential. Now so yenya majority. Now we were leading in parliament. And between the first round and the second round, and omuko okoti petrol. So idea omuka say omunti so. Now ya said that creative court bia ye a driver for ye chiwa. Wo dey ya create special court for a driver for nkwa. Ya chi bebre edwana kwa kogu prisons na de. Within that period, you know, so they release a number of them. The intention was not genuine, but it was just because of the purpose of what? Votes. And no be, and almost happen say or more repeat it in this situation. But I can tell you, say, emfa, because abano die, mama yeden, mama fa.
Yamran batwhwe enkomo emfa sector wo ka ho asem jobs. President Mahama kasa afa agenda 1 million jobs ne o atu din adwuma pa. Me pese o ne be go through policy area we answer kra na yaba behwe the other sectors ebenu so be contribute to the overall realization of the 1 million number na President Mahama ka ho asem.
Yo me da say menua say o mind be konenim o mind be de obia be feel say o ka ho bia ni nyina efri ejuma na enye just ejuma keke ejuma pa eno ena John Dramani Mahama ene NDC eka say ye to abano wie nyaminti nimse obedi nkunim every year afibia or the 250,000 jobs minimum beba into the system. Afibia minimum and only minimum because
just a bit to me
within the 4 years and so a minimum of 1 million well-paid jobs. A juma wokra free fee say wokwe juma woni say wokwe juma. Enye juma wokọ because ebia pienti and I was wire then wopie. Ye ka enentina yatu ni di ejuma pa. The work condition will be excellent. The pay, ebeye pay ebe sustain you. Enti eya dia ya show sa di ya ye bi pen. Ya ye bi pen. So ukaya President Kufuor the program bia na ye friend National Youth Employment Program ebaye. Na a programmer, the way I know just a program. As I'll call it haphazard as it is. No exit plan, nothing for a just program. Yeah, because now abano ye kwa koto aba the same omuma nipa control mudin eco register and say, oh, we didn't have unemployment data. And think of control mudin, crofoko ye lines I mudin, and nothing was happening. Say, okay, those times in Jumi nearby, or coffee juma, also banchi juma, or he, also quabruche, or coffee juma, also banchi juma, and you nearby. And no muhunya ombe, and no move through this program, have us hardly to hope. I feel it drew 2008 campaign. Almost, more youth employment program. No. One to about my MPP NDC ba ombe trust program no minia NDC ba ye no yen na ye be ye program no ye shemra to protect obia or ye juma under such a program enuntia ene ye wo ade bia ye friend Youth Employment Authority with legal backing ene MPP penifo bebre a mo aba benum ebinim ti board no so ebinim so ye juma wo ho as directors and so on and so forth yen na ye be yen hihye. We did not sack anybody, we didn't destroy that program, we made it even stronger with legal backing. And one thing say President Mahama Shebo say NABCO recruits on the mo fan say haphazard program keke mugu ho Obedia Dias Mampinia, all these NABCO recruits, or more Mubenya training, will, of course, will be trained, will all be recruited and turned into proper public service. Obia and Lucini Juma, they are not going to lose anything. They will rather their status will be enhanced. Just as in track record, HRS we enhanced and improved and made National Youth Employment program haphazard without any clear cut processor. Ye de found who per se who pia kwa obefa so pie and so on and so forth. Bibi ni hono yen na ye be ye ni yen. Sa so na ye ba be with NABCO. He's made that promise too. Ghana for ono ebe establish businesses, small businesses no, from corporate tax no omuntuabi. Because when you take away that burden of taxation, a manipano onya duete kakra and other logistics to be able to invest in the business. Now, it's possible say over a period no krano the business in benyini ababeye a medium or even a larger size, so that a hono utiatua the business will never collapse. But we are what you say about Ukra program that you want to start say who be taxing nipano right from the first year, the second year. Now one year a juman to mean jina. So after a certain time, so no jumana then I collapse it. That is why you have a lot of businesses that have registered with Registrar General, but they are non-existent on the ground because of this bad policy. President Mahama say, Obedia dia, all these smaller in companies, corporate tax, the medium ones now, ewo ho already our mutual corporate tax are about 25%, you know, or better so e about 15%. So that is going to free almost about 10%. Nanka wutia dada is going to free that for you to be able to reinvest. And to where reinvestment we expanding, will be creating more opportunities for others. New medium ones so are urban for the first 2 years. Won't any corporate tax bia. So sir 2 years a bema was stabilize ejina ye. Ama you see a enye de no yemfa and we don't pay. And in other words, no, we understand that those first 2 years, or say I buy ye na you say me ba beji a tour a corporate tax and if you wo unjayo omboao through various mechanisms and systems. Now unjina ye then subsequently ye shall say ye g sa corporate tax on a tour if you walk, you will not suffer. You can be able to stand the test of time and support the growth sector any the ejumapa program now or kamwasem again. So oyobia we believe in investment in infrastructure meaning well for the good of the people. Matisa no moka say a teacher for your recruit say a nurse for your recruit say minia a church for omunchra de or eduaso mbofra nko school ewo eduaso omuko school ewo classroom a nurse for omunye juma ewo inframanima na eduaso omunye juma ewo clinics, cheap compounds, polyclinics, hospitals eho no omunye juma omo esua x-ray hu ejuma the paramedics ne technician omunye juma ewo eduaso omunye juma in these structures. Minia bisa won say one and why massive investments in all these sectors are ebie economy no enunti itumi fanipa more in some sectors. NDC. So we hear the percentage investment, we hear the capital expenditure vis-a-vis the GDP na ye nyano. The NDC was spending over 4.5% of the capital expenditure vis-a-vis the ratio to GDP. It was over 4.5%. In there, many workers say, Abaya or Menya even more resources, you know, they are investing just about 1.2%. Enunti, ma economy no nye then MBA to be able to create more opportunities for people. Because
but some Mecca said they are investing in other sectors. There are other areas they are investing
that
in.
You are investing are just consumption. For example, Ubana say oye wajin say instead of creating building more schools, building more hospitals, me ubeni say ubeye more ministries. Now we are appointing more ministers. You are just going to spend in consumption related areas.
Amafo
omuko disikano keke. We wajin say presidential staffers na ube increase one to huge numbers. Amafo kohono hwi ni ho maybe obi a okura president ni diary, obi a okura ni teacup, obi a oyese, obi a sa it's not productive area. When him say ansana President Mahama Beba be president now you were, for example, a ministry like Ministry of what? Information, separate from communication.
Mm-hmm.
And believe say possible say you be rationalizing ministries, you know, or reducing ministries, any ministers, you know, or you then or if you see Ministry of Information and the Ministry of Communication. So one minister, two deputies. Juma nanka maybe 2 ministers and 4 deputies. So you have 1 minister, 2 deputies. Instead of 2 ministers and 4 deputies. And the ministries with its own structures of chief directors, those are huge costs. but aben ba ye no even areas ya ye and all you needed was to have an agency well supported to be able to do near obe no we what you say we could create rail development ministry, aviation ministry, transport ministry, and under John Dramani Mahama we had only transport ministry are responsible for rail, are responsible for aviation, are responsible for transport, that is harbors and then all those things. In the president created 3 ministries out of what used to be 1, with a minister, a biwa 2 deputies, a biwa 3 deputies. Meanwhile,
I think one of the areas public procurement. For the first time, you're creating ministry responsible for procurement. For the first time, we had contracts and
exactly. So anything I make actually say yen kakra yenyano ye de ko share areas edem puntu ene ebe create opportunity say nipa more benye juma aye, because President Mahama say obe reduce the size of ministers by 40. Year calculation, that alone will give you a saving a year of about 60 something million Ghana cedi. That can go into supporting a lot of other persons to get meaningful job. Presidential staffers who reducing by 200, you'll be making a saving of almost 200 million. And you can just imagine a combination of reducing.
So presently, I'm on the number 1,005 was 1,600 thereabout.
A combination of reducing presidential staffers, any size of ministers, ministry in Ukraine, Maya, who be saving getting close to about 300 million. You can imagine what 300 million can do. The number of cheap compounds are ABC. Now we hear the number of Injuma cheap compounds in the bakery, and as for a mobile opportunity, aye juma woho, and multiply by the number and see nipa omu benya ayaresa from that investment, and until they will be more productive because nipa odo kuku ewe krasia or yarea onya baby nkosa no ho yare no wudi sa sike bi ekosi cheap compounder or yarea or baby obekwa akosa no ho yare enti osa no ho yare pe by the next day no osan go back to ni cocoa farm enti okwa akodo o de drone fertilizer egusu ntem enti cocoa no ebe sodo so enti wo beti mo wuti mo na wo process bi wo koton bi so a wo benya sika no mo na wo de aye other input njuma. That is the kind of investment John Dramani Mahama eka ebe create njuma at all levels. Enunti ena in talking about jobs no or linki bibia also to health. Enunti na or introducing the agenda of the free primary healthcare no. So that obia onkoda wo say obenya etipa say oh ena mini health insurance ena mini enti mayede na makos. All those cases are yet treated from district hospital through polyclinic to clinics to cheap compounds to health posts in free under John Dramani Mahama obedi mampenia won sorry say wo call district hospital obe ha wo kura say or say wo cover wo health insurance card and now wo die no say wo yare wo report it say cheap compound no muntumi hwe case now on be refer to the next level wo ko ho nyina men ha wo hu about say what renew with health insurance card and because card bia enim wo die no say wo yare a wako ya treat you ya ma withdraw na wo ko. So beyond those levels and health insurance beba be yejuma eno kra ye some category of persons omo ejuma omo ye no already captures them and it says here yes ye the cocoa farmers no so any other category of farmers ye the also be cancer category no.
What cocoa pharmacy? Me pese bia ye bedi wo mo ho komo kakra because omo ye major constituency was Krom Hanum. Okay, President Mahama Breso na ye chiche omo fertilizer free, ne mo seedlings, ye mo all kinds of farm equipment near there for free. Grofo e ba ye, wo mo ton de ma omo. Sabre ya me ne wo ka say, wo mo say mo nton the physical cash, na mo wo mu free e de ama cocoa farmers no who face why would government now be crediting what should have been given to these farmers years ago?
Eno na yen ranking member o kasamaye ewo kwe jumani cocoa hunseme bekaye say adia ye dia ba na ye free not for sale aye free no ye de tipes a paper not no ena ya ye no for
not for sale no
not for
paper not
no for paper not no ena fe de omo aye no for sale adia President Mahama na okraba o mainema ye de ma for not for sale ya stamp so not for sale so that you can say obi ton ena ya copy paper not every so ena ye de aye for sale ya ton ma omo a fe de edru time a ye kwa akoto aba you see we queen a afi de fertilizer no men fa wo sika no man sa na wo ba beji fertilizer no ye de be ma on credit na later no wa ba betua to sa cocoa farmers na o mu tie mi yen as NDC no enka yen program mo say ye beto fertilizer bi amobi
some beton amom
yen ton fertilizer emfa mo bi ye de be ma hon free sa free fertilizer for cocoa farmers no ye ba aba beto so enti obi biara ye de fertilizer no be ma no say credit no onu de onkonkoji in the name of credit na so won say
omunko free ni sa
but December 7th ni dru a on make sure say na ba no obeto ama NDC John Dramani Mahama any NDC parliamentary candidate a ewo ho so that 7th January yes swear President Mahama in New Year the fertilizer na ye di amano na nko wo say ye ton man say ye di free no ye be yi bibia free ye be cancel sa free no because fertilizer no or say ye di man free because already no cocoa ebo na ye di ma kwefo no ankasa nkra no on ba ye no on fa sika bia amfa nkoka ho papa bia for the entire almost 4 years be 40 cedi pe eno mudi akoka adia in 4 years President Mahama de almost 265 Ghana cedi edi koka ho Professor Monsi ye be 112 Ghana cedi President Mahama ye 265 Ghana cedi omo ba ye 40 cedi omo santon fertilizer no ma ho omo ton other chemicals e ma ho enti omuntumi enya sika no nkonkoto fertilizer ne chemicals ninti ama cocoa production a former na eden eba and that is why they are not able to meet the tonnage yen ya ma yekoduru almost 1 million nan ka yenya no afedie a former na eba nka after sa major seedling projects ye continuously a ma free seedling nka by now no kra no senka omoto a ye program no so a omuma fertilizer no free chemicals no free anka cocoa no bebre no ka asha asese no kra no aso anka by now ye tibi kra ebeba beka sa tonnage no nka o say ye tonnage no be den ebe kosoro
enti efutu a wode ma Ghana cocoa kwani bi a wotie sesi a ene se mo mine abanya ye na dwen so o free fertilizer na ma omo nkonkoje omo jibia omo nto aba
President Mahama because enka yen program hu say cocoa kwafo no ye beton fertilizer no e di ama ho yen ngindi ni omo ka say kwafo no omo wia fertilizer ni nti omo mfa ama ho listen because say wo buy and wo say because of smuggling nti and away wa dwen say wo say wo ma fertilizer no for free say enti one or smuggle fertilizer no farmers na official doms no official no so what's some and this what's so officials now then it is the farmers now and I accuse on say omo smuggle fertilizer no. So today are they not going to smuggle but we believe that they are not smuggling any fertilizer ye gidi say omo use the fertilizer no anything now production levels no na kosro so clearly no mo bia ye na because wo koje na wo san koto ma ho na 2021 no ombeba say omo ba be dan wo ka enti we say wo di wo kra koto a wo nya kobo kra inferior because o meka say fertilizer na wo koto ye no ye tie free o koko sales no
ahia na omaji food
no mo agi usika ni nyina efi wonsem be yen de enka yen program say ye beton fertilizer bia ama koko kwani bia eye for free enti omo konkoje bet mo nsuro ni o se omo ya ne se omo bebo omo voter ID card ho ban na edru 7th December omo kayo omo ye omo line na omo to aba enfama NDC presidential candidate John Dramani Mahama any parliamentary candidate owo omo peso so that is all they have to do omo ye ni wia ni aka no onja enfama the trusted John Dramani Mahama nsem dem oyeye you introduce free fertilizer, free seedlings, and so on and so forth. No, so na osan.
And teachers, President Mahama, we near one man medine will be aka. As a water fertilizer went to Yanka into one rabbit.
Listen, or some babe more for free because on him in Faswa a woman. On him say or the mawa at the end of the day no cocoa no ena ebeso the so. As so sa utia ena o minus so yeden nyasum faso. President Mahama will not cut his tank and cook and eat because you know that after that, and to mean Kasabium.
Manifesto no yate apart from fertilizer here or can once me yate say there are other incentives more egu akwem and this egu akwem for cocoa farmers. I'm say yate say President Mahama so person see cocoa clinic in areas ye do cocoa wo honom enye no nkwa say waka hospital bills near their day waka pensions all these for cocoa farmers. At the internet I said this time round there's a lot of focus for our cocoa farmers.
You will focus on almost every sector. Every sector bia will be ewo ena yatena ho it because yetie o monsem yetie we no we subjected omo proposals ni bibia to proper analysis ena yehu say ebeye ye possible this is how it can go ena make look uma cocoa kwiani fertilizer for free we register no health insurance so that beyond district hospital ayaresano the health insurance card be we register no for free no nim say oni worry bia about sa in healthcare na de bia oyare na so obenya ayaresa onim say obeya available say obeye juma so ni productive hours no ebe kosoro sa so na wosan ma no pension scheme a onim say me yire me ho eye juma na in the course of me juma say BBC a me wo pension just like any other worker onusu odru age bi na onya accident bi maybe that disable him physically I want to me nyejuma or one pension at least no o de be kwa till sa time yankopon betun sa friend no nipa no sa assurance obia be bie na koma aye ejuma no e de aboa oman no because when you say oman no so ye den kai no work and happiness enubi ena yepese ye de babium work and happiness ejuma pa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama come once our incoming president. I will say ye nyina ye supporting because ye na ideas na ye de man all through no wa ma ya chroning na into a workable document ye doable. Say we you be a usua de school bia omo churechro law ya na o say we be professional law course wo de wom we okada rider wo de wom we will be a utilize okado wo de wom we dwadini a wo de wom wo a usika ka finance institution bia through reckless process aben fire no wo de wom we will be a oko school a student loan arrangement no also wo de into students de wom
at say assembly members de wom
assembly members de wom garages or more krakra home use cars any yenuano mo amanoni a omutade sa cars no so e de bre omo ejanom any omo enanom any others e wo Ghana ha no so omo so omo de ewom sa so na a police for a soldier for no omo nyina omo so de ewom omo cap tete and all those things and other arrangements a police for maybe omo afa omo privately akomu suku aye maybe nipa no remu with just SSC wa yam or kwakonya degree I feel yes yen recognize with degree no because enye yen na yem there be saa de arrangement wo mu sesi a wonya through private this na wonya wo bibia ye be then ye be factor saa de no into your promotion omo de wom. So everybody has something in this People's Manifesto. President John Dramani Mahama Edi Babaye Juma from 2021. Enti aka no eni say ye nyina ye beye ni owo say ye in our various places to become ambassadors of this message because nsem no oyeya ye nsem already eno onu je pese eno no obeye meye ni amope enti onu age pese obeye ni amope because why ye bi pe. Look, we just one oil field yetumi ye njuma ye ka ho aseme ena enne ye di two abeka ho ye wo 3 oil fields plus many other institutions na ye sheda ya establish ya ne sumfaso no na nkasisi ya na eba no we can say ye ka say ye be ya ya dia ye ba be ye in job creation na oka ne big push ye the 10 billion agenda every year bia no 2 billion continuously for 5 years. And so again, okay, what's one? You must be a Ghanaian company to benefit. And your dear, oba bepe sa sika kesi ya na obi akọ register company bi wo some tax haven wo baby and now some island wo baby na oba say oba be participate in sa business ni bi and now free foreign no oba be participate no wie na say onya ni sika na odeko debi. Must be Ghanaian registered companies. Sikano ebeye then ebe circulate within. Enti wunya na se ye you would do other investment in other areas. Others will have to be employed there. And now Ghana for beye juma ubet your taxes and so on and so forth. Enti sa 10 billion no, at the end of the day no eba beye double within the shortest possible time. So that is the idea in here. Also, Ghanaian registered companies, and as much as possible, no so baby maybe infrastructural development material ye juma no so no kesena ye then e be free Ghana ha we will have to unless Ghana ha no ye ni sa material no ansa na ya ka say ye kwa kokra e wo baby e dia ba be ye sa dia no be once a material no e wo ha no we will utilize the material in this country. Enti homegrown solution, home-based things, anything or can be so said. Yen procurement laws, not appointing a minister for procurement, not amending it to favor corrupt acts, but ye amendment ebe boa Ghanaian indigenous companies, so that you see, say with GDP ye there na say. The Ghanaian component of the GDP no was lower. Your GDP may be high. Then so say Ghanaian participation low, especially say Ghanaian companies participation low, and yet above 40%. Meaning, ye anko say Ghana for enyano omunya. So it is very clear that you're more committed. Look, as at the time I this year free power. Obian himself, a kawa na Ghana hanging about 120 billion.
Billion, yes.
In Adena Pejan to over 260 something billion. And which I say in just less than 4 years, you had 140 billion. Abeka yenkaunum. So 120 na make one semi, and ye just John Dramani Mahama. Ni period
fitting Nkrumah
Bresu. So from time yeji an independence the bedru Fourth Republic President Rawlings buy, President Kufuor buy, President Mills buy, President Mahama buy, and an 120 billion. Now within this shortest possible time no ye the 140 abeka ho. Now 140 no so ubisa unhu bibia apart from projects President Mahama na o initiative bi no na ye point kirewo.
Abrantie bi de Emmanuel Duku na or the message send Mrs. say everything Monday ba bepem sabre what say NDC eka chempe Chempe no ayedien.
Chempe ye part of yen intervention now. Ye de come yen tertiary institutions, students are in the public universities and our public tertiary institutions, including the technical universities. Apart from the free TVET, yakan wasem, tertiary level and our technical universities are or more technical related course are more benya free tuition ni bibiano. Yes, say next academic year, 2020-2021 academic year, no, yen university student bia first year, second year, third year, final years. Sa next academic year, no, public universities fees, no, ye chimpe. Wo school nen obefa half. Na President Mahama ne na by no omuso aye de omai yafa half.
For university,
tertiary education, and only champion. And to relieve them, because you say in this post-COVID era, no, and yet we are not in a normal situation. And you will say, abino a year interventions bia ebebua suku umofrey. Aside this, no, loan systems. You be making sure say you be pijim kakra. Ama at least no aye commensurate with omu needs. Then a BM also sa guarantor system no so ye be then ye be ye free ho. Say we here guarantor to end the repayment of the loan no so no be after say we shall say we ye juma. Then aside that no now your program be wo ho a when you admission to a tertiary institution. Now won niska wo de be kwa kotua admission fees and admission letter no kra no what they call student loan truster ye ba obasia ama wo di bia kwa kotua sa admission fees no aban ba ye no e na wotwem ye ne yes ye ba sa de no ye san introduce ni biom because ensan enye ne nyina na ye pe obi wo ho a obey brilliant obi wo ho a obenya admission no nanso maybe we cannot spot the person immediately and offer a scholarship. Nanso or say okoko tuya ne admission and sana other processes are then are kicking in. And tisa nipa no won niska obeko akutuya admission na o admission letter no enough for you say what the be student loan trust immediately or mobile process sa support no e the amount so that you wait me tuya o fees admission fees any na account yes e the ababio and you just chimpe. There were a lot of arrangements for students, your friends, to school and our tertiary level education. There were a lot of arrangements for them.
Anyway, Asampa 94.7 FM. So now we'll go so awuti Ura Kofi Adams and the woman was studio ha and yebu kompo kohe nano NDC. Ye manifesto ye launchi ye enyama pa egum edima Ghana ni bia wabo salvaged cars so konkompe fo ne aboso kan wabo Okada riders wabo ekoko ekuafo saa so no wabo big push wabo customers of the fund banks ya ye gugu ni all other sectors waka ho asem na one particular area say mepese yebedi hu nkomo kakra Owura Kofi Adams aye corruption nanado ne na aban ase nansen wo mo nka corruption bio President Mahama yate se nyame adom na 2021 wobetre gugwa no so a odi dwumedie bia watu din Operation Stink. Operation Stink ne yede
yo mini amedase se ube kaya se obi ka bibi kire osesia na mate se omo eka debate on trust debate on this and President Mahama is one person say you can always trust him when he puts out anything. The commitment to fighting corruption can never be questioned. But in a bid to say omubedin trono, omwa sheda a twisty inyama bebre eniho sa. But clearly no one thing President Mahama eka time I know your mampini. Also, corruption ain't just murder, but it's mass murder. Say enya dia would bia ekum nipa ebekum nipa eye nipa dodo ekum mass edom bebre ena corruption ekum is mass murder. Enti se wo he na ban a lot of internal investigations were triggered. Ebi o through whistleblowers and so on and so forth. Obia obe blow whistle no was free to roam around this country. Now so we cannot say same now. Me sure say mo amoye sem chirofo ne this mo bisa mo nua no mo te say Manasseh Azuri no mo and the rest ombeka omo stories achire. So osan chebo say odi operation stink no odeba. E dia na chire e no chire say internally no or the camera no besi ono aso ne appointees ne aban adwumaye ofo the time he is operating. And you say the opponent the no easy and no ho but ono ankasa say we are appointee we are wadwin say o ba befa kwan boni bi so e dia hwe wo ho dia and you don't belong in his government, and there is clear history to it.
Any idea?
And only near 1 year in the past, the 4 years now, man, he made sure investigations were done in various sectors under him once it is raised. And no na ebinumu ka say enu ka hu binti na maybe nkrofo edwin say corrupt no, because before him no we had a President Kufuor say, do they want him to talk about corruption in his government so that ebe collapse na banya? Mikaipa 2003 sa MPP conference now mo ye no Cape Coast no. Na me Honorable Haruna Idrisu, Peter Light Kumsen, Baba Lamina ye represent NDC was our conference no. Bibia
Baba Lamina Kaswa
and I represent NDC was our conference no. E ho na okoka they say the other day I was traveling Misha Minyon Kubia Okachem, so you are doing very well except one area and only corruption. Then I asked him, you should show me which country there is no corruption and blah 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 corruption. They shall say from Adam and so on and so forth. Now Okoka and Wawa speech, you know, and later on talk about the fact that he will not expose corruption in his government because Ebe collapse na bang.
But that was not the case with President Mahama.
President Mahama did the opposite. Say Onufil say because Najunian say a mass murder. He thought that let's push shine, let's help civil society, let's fight it, because there's a genuine way you can make money. And the men fa proye any look. The minister, a very young minister, just communicated. Say, oh, ne intention and which say. Or no, or your politics, not so $1 million. One cancer or just that thought alone will first say it doesn't sync with the policy of the government and a public office. And you say why ye be will mean to me Emma because I cannot trust your judgment on issues. Ebeba wenim. And you say Nipanaka say me fa boni kwan so. But then he just thought that once these have come out, this is the action that I have to take. The issue of national service, and no same name, a lot, and why you be paying, and the oka on your beer oka because kwakoto abanti is just making promise like Obika say I will use an ass principle. Says here you won't be opposite. On only the end why you be paying.
Because in the case of national service, the NSA, no, before I know be free office. Now the national service boss, who was implicated in that corruption scandal, so now he was standing trial.
Yeah.
So now 123 or other
district directors have been affected.
What has happened to that case?
So we should just tell you. We should just tell you about the commitment. The commitment or more so clearly no say your man penika say operation sting or say won't say or that commitment Now, one of the biggest problem developing countries ye face any proyene katashishe. Ye to me kuntia proyene katashishe. Ejuma bebre o hwa ebe. That is why with just little resources eba and insane no. Now we had so much to show. Now nyama bebre o hwa. It me di ensachre. Reach Hospital. Terminal 3. Interchange, Kwame Nkrumah interchange, Kaswadie, hospitals bebre, Kumasi Airport, KJTM market, Ho Airport, Ho market,
Ho University,
bebre, Ho University, many other universities are across. So many things are why with just that little resources are eba or monzim and Oma institutions bebre etumi jina omonan so a wankasa on their own books no etumi ekope sika without it affecting the government. For example, Ghana Post and Harbors Authority etumi ko in the open market and got more than $1 billion funding for a project without buying na okwa boss abusia no edi amaho. Ghana airport company so Terminal 3 project here on their own. Or some in pa or the buy. Bost the same thing. And many other institutions. So this is part in Mampinia or so committed to utilizing very little.
I can't bear 3 minutes, not to say, yeah, the energy dinner, but before that, you know, Obise Mimbusa said, Diana President Mahama Beye Ediafa. A Japa deal no.
Oh no, say why indicated clearly say a deal.
Oh, I can't want some that.
Any light of day in his government. The bonny and your papa obechum. And that something that must not be done at all. And I believe that a lot of Ghanaians, you know, almost so with you or now or doing any His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because the civil society groups, 16 of them, Nrana and Reiki, now meeting one almost a press conference, clearly indicating say a day ye boni, and ma yen fire who and concourem, because clearly no say Uji will seek no cry eba in beat no cry yes in this type of arrangement here because so that deal is not a good deal. I can't want them clearly say obey Mampinia obechum. Mamenko for 1 or 2 messages na yamfa and Medino Mberry. This one here says good evening. MGL Asempa. Okay, I'll say sorry. Good evening. You are doing a good work, JM Afa Tete Emmanuel. And it is a message nearby about one Tremebia or the free Eba. We say, hello, Peter. I like the submission of Mr. Kofi Adams. For the election, President Mahama has already won. Prosper Dugbate in Asuchari. Can Honorable Kofi Adams throw more light on SNIT contributions for SNIT contributors to serve as collateral for house from Congo? Say the issue of mortgaging SNIT contribution. Say another question now. Other industry spokespersons number.
Okay.
But simple understanding is we will SNIT contribution over a certain period. Be qualify will not out of that contribution. Young and you say kwa kojio. Be mau kwaina utumidi or no koye as a mortgage.
So I say 15 years.
Yeah, 15 years. But I think 10 to 15 years. Utumi kojin as mortgage. Now why ya itu anu kakra so that the facility ebeba be with you. Ebin see that, and it's a new thing that will allow SNIT contributors to own homes for themselves. They don't say we Juman la fe na pamon we free baby now with and it's excellent arrangement.
Last one we says good evening Mr. Bam, for watching you live from Tema Newtown. In fact, the NDC's People Manifesto is the best, inshallah. Whether President Akufo-Addo and his family and friends government like it or not, they would lose December the December elections. Mahama Afa Arafat phobia and a day way by Mame Joe final words. Ebia Boom for 8 years Sabri again na message na over the mom.
Yo boom for the me say che on biom omo anim already dem ayeka no hihia ye wo no eno ana e wo ho enti ma omu papa omuti minim say nkunimbie no ebeye media nkunimbie no so beye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de na ye nipa bie ye kabom ama nduma bebre a ye gya ato ho a boom for ye nhu so no ye ba aba beye ama boom afan ntuma ba ye den efra. But my other last comment, especially President Mahama, the commitment, say in Juma pa, obe creating Ghana Nibia will say, be affected, ubia ewonifi. The 1 million jobs, minimum 1 million jobs, 250 every year, no, and yadi kakraba is going to happen. And we have clear-cut programmer, through training and retraining, finding market opportunities for products EBPA, abayin bedienim abwa ama say processing be na wo ye o baby market nbo ye bedienim make sure say standardization ni nyina are met so that say export na obeye o adie bia ye be ya ebeboa sustainable and decent job creation eno na ye ba be enti Ghana fo nyina ho say in this manifesto is the savior. In this manifesto is a people's manifesto. Then my PNDC, a constitution written by the people for the first time, was sustained up to this point. So as soon as this people's manifesto, designed and done by the NDC under the leadership and direction of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, is the savior, is the masterpiece. Obiadie wom from the top to the bottom, everybody will feel that unsema how we feel that minutest point is what concerns the John and Jane presidency, and that is what will concern the NDC. And unti and a manifesto ya to needing the people's manifesto, jobs and prosperity. Say ejuma pa ene kainko ahuto ene ya dia manifesto e de brehon. In 4 years Ghana will truly change.
But as ye Owura Kofi Adams, or your spokesperson on job creation of the NDC campaign, manifesto ye DPR Bontin. So or your former national organizer Edema the NDC, or your currently the parliamentary candidate of the NDC, Ewo Boim constituency, Ewo Oti region. Mada was say wunya bre etie enadwumadie no kai hunu say dwumadie no atuemu akopem say yebeto abawie ya wada bia no kra wo mu de ye de bebrew midin adi Peter Bamfo meda mu nyina say nyame adom a na wotwe say ne ye besan ehia makramo